Let me show you how you can take your jollof rice from 0 to 100 with this easy to make and very delicious ASUN jollof rice recipe. First things first, you want to put your washed goat meat in the pot because what is ASUN jollof rice without goat meat? Next, I'll be adding in some of my favorite spices. A full list of all the ingredients I used and their quantities would be in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I'll be adding in some onion. Just give all of this a really nice mix. And of course, no need to add water because trust the goat meat to bring out its juice. I'll just cover this and allow to boil. I really love when my meat is very soft and tender, so when this is soft, I'll proceed to fry it. If you don't want to fry your meat, you can as well use an air fryer or place it in the oven and you are good to go. But for me, I'm going to be frying it in some oil, and this is the oil I'll be using as my base for my jollof rice. If it's your first time here, fam, you're welcome to Alin TV Vlogs. Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell because I bet you don't want to miss out on any of our recipes. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. So fam, I'll be adding in some of the oil from my meat now in the pot. Next, I'll be adding in some onions and I'll follow in with some thyme and with some curry powder. I absolutely love frying my seasonings at this stage because it just helps to break them out and you're already perceiving that really nice smell even before you get into the main deal. Next, I'll be adding in some tomato paste. I recently found this Gino Party Jollof and I have been loving it, so I'll just add this in, give it a really nice mix and allow to fry properly. Next, I'll be coming in with my pepper mix. This is basically lots of onion, scotch bonnet pepper and Tatashe with 1 tomato. As usual, you can check out the full list in the description box. I'll give this a nice mix, cover and allow to fry properly. So once you can see the oil on top, then you know that this is already frying well. So I'm going to add in some seasoning cubes, some salt. Give this another mix because you don't want your sauce to burn. Give this another mix, and then I'm going to be coming in with some of those goat meat stock. So I'll just be adding in the stock to it now, and then I'm going to be adding in some bay leaf. Next, I'll be adding in my already washed and parboiled rice. So this is it. I'm going to be adding in my rice at this point and give this a really nice mix. I personally love to add my rice first before adding water because it just helps me get the exact quantity of water I need. Because fam, when cooking jollof rice, you don't want your rice to be soggy, so you really want to be careful about the amount of water you add. So once you can add enough water to be slightly above your rice, you are good to go. So at this point, I'm still mixing, so I'm going to add a little more until the water is slightly above. And also note, you don't need to cook your rice at very high heat, so average is okay, so that way the water doesn't dry up completely so fast and then your rice is well cooked. So I have enough water in here now. I'm just going to be covering my rice and allow to cook properly. So fam, I know you think we're done, right? No, this is where the magic happens. In a pan, we're going to be adding in some onion, some curry powder and some pepper mix. So this is basically pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, Tatashe and lots of onions. I'm going to be giving this a really nice mix and allow to fry properly. Next, I'm going to be coming in with a little bit of salt and seasoning cubes just for taste. Give this another really nice mix, and then I'm going to be coming in with my ASUN, my fried goat meat. I'm going to give this a really nice mix in this sauce and allow to fry together. Next, I'm going to be adding in some veggies. So here I have some green pepper and some red bell pepper. I I sliced up, so I'll just be adding this and give it a really nice mix. Next, down to my rice. As you can see, my rice is already fully cooked. I'm going to be adding in some carrots I have available and some green peas I have handy. I'll just give this a really nice mix, and then I'm going to combine my ASUN to this jollof rice. So this is my ASUN here. I'm going to be adding my jollof rice to it, and fam, this is where the magic happens. If you cook your ASUN jollof rice this way, I bet you're not going to try it any other way. This is absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comment section, are you going to be trying this out? And if you enjoyed watching this video and you are yet to subscribe, come on fam, click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell. I really would love to get your thoughts on this video, and I'll catch you all in our next video. Bye.